Hi, this is Nate Parker with BorderLAN Cybersecurity. I specialize in helping higher education institutions monitor and manage their email security posture. Whether it's student email, staff email, on-prem, in the cloud, if you're using a hosted solution such as Office 365, I would love to come in, make sure you're secure, and recommend the proper tools to help you accomplish this goal. What I see every day is a lot of institutions are relying on free or legacy products or maybe things that come in. What really is key is adding extra layers, a layered approach to email security. Having centralized management is key. Whether you're backing it up into the cloud, archiving it, providing advanced threat protection, you want to be able to manage it all from the same place and understand that you're secure at all times. 80% of today's attacks and threats are coming through email. You want to make sure you have the best filter out there to combat these threats. We can come in, provide those services for you, make sure you're up to date, secure, have someone looking at it daily, weekly, monthly, however much you want. I would love the opportunity to work with you as I have with many other higher education institutions all over the country.